What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and we're at Rattlesnake Raceway. It's Friday night, so we did make it up here. We did not fix everything that needed to be fixed. Is what it is. We're here. I did get that right rear birdcage stuff fixed, though. Hey, moving places here. And the right rear fender's back on. The front nose is still in pretty rough shape, and we got the shock back on, so that's good. But I'm here so late, they've actually already started racing, and so no screwing around here, guys. I'm gonna throw you up in the car. I got to get changed. I only got a couple more heat races before me, so let's rock and roll. Living life on the edge around here. So car is still, well, basically in the shape it was before I raced it. I put a little duct tape there, try to keep the nose from flying up since it was all torn up. But the right rear tire was super hot when I came in, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. I'm thinking this through. Car handled pretty good, but the right rear tire was boiling. What I'm thinking is there's a chain limiter on the left front of this car here. Weep. And what I'm thinking is lengthening that a little bit. I was told that my left front tire is not coming off the ground, which I think if I'm coming into the corner and I hit the end of that chain, I'm not really lifting it. But when I hit the end of the chain, it puts all of my weight back onto the left side of the car, and then I drive through, and I need to get a little bit more weight to stay there on the right rear. So I'm going to lengthen that. Hopefully it rolls over just a little bit more or a little bit longer. I don't know if this is the right way to think about it or not, but that's what I'm going to try. And then I'm going to try to do some tire prep and go from there. So I'm going to work a little bit, see if I can patch up some of the stuff that was messed up from before as well, and go from there. So crazy day. I'm lucky I got here to go race. All right, I'm gonna get back to work, guys. Alrighty guys, well, that was a main event, I guess. Started 5th. Spun myself to avoid that wreck, or to avoid the other car spinning. Was okay after that. Ended up going to the back because of it. And then we went green, and then there was a caution, and then under caution I felt a huge vibration, like go 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 go, and turns out I had a flat tire, so I thought I broke something. It was ugly. Came in, I definitely got to thank Mickey and Shorty, who ran over and helped me out, and they put a tire on there. Of course, I wasn't set up for a tire to go on, but I did have one tire out that had some air in it, but was pretty bald. It was something that I was gonna tear down and replace sometime soon, but hey, made it on the car as a spare. And then we went out, and there was some more chaos that ensued, and made it back up to 5th. There were right there at the very end a couple cars, I think one car spun, one car broke or something. I'm not 100% sure what happened to them guys, but we got a caution, and then we finished our race under caution. Unfortunately, they called it for time. Basically we get 1 minute per lap, and I guess we used all that up, so is what it is. But hey, the car looks like it's mostly, I mean, it's not in great shape, but it's still in about the same shape that it started, so that's good. We did gain some points on that points race here, which is cool. Yeah, I guess I'm pretty happy for showing up late and just be rock and roll and go and go and go, and it's always successful. I always consider it successful when the car loads itself in the trailer, right? So we'll be back again tomorrow to do it again, but hopefully better, and go from there. So yeah, definitely want to thank my sponsors as usual. Gilmore Graphics, Kate Sarkisian Cosplay, and the All About Caring, the Senior Living Training Center, and of course my Uncle Brad, in memory of my Aunt Tanya. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, down below. Hit up the Lonesome Motorsports Facebook page. Don't forget to share with your friends and stuff. I'd appreciate it. And my brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we'll catch you next video. Peace.